Hi, welcome to EMS. Today we are going to explain uh, reception complaint management. So that's how we are going to manage the complaints. There is nothing in the listing, so add complaint. Complaint types is we have set up the complaint types: students complaint, society complaint, or staff complaint. I will just put a random uh, general complaint by uh, students, parents, phone number, date, description, complaint about teacher behavior, action taken, forwarded for investigation, assigned to if any staff member you can assign them to Mr. Kamal, email asdf@gmail.com. Note: the complaint has been registered and assigned to the above mentioned staff member for investigation. And if you want to attach any proof or evidence or whatever, you can attach that document here. 7 close. So that's how we are registering a complaint, and the action you can view that and you can print it out from here. If you want to edit, you can do that from here. So you can edit, update complaint, and if you want to delete it, you can delete. So here will be the listings for the complaint. That's how we are managing the complaint.